In this video, we're diving into an incredibly simple yet effective scalping strategy suitable even for beginner traders. Using just 2 free indicators from TradingView, this strategy can be applied to various markets like Forex, cryptocurrencies, or gold. Before we start, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel. To begin, open TradingView and set the pair to Bitcoin USDT and the time frame to 15 minutes. Then, head over to the Indicator Search tab and look for Smooth Heiken Ashi Candles by Jack. Adjust the settings by setting Len and Len 2 to 8 and customize the opacity in the Style tab according to your preference. This indicator will serve as our entry points. A change from red to green signals a buy, while a change from green to red signals a sell. Now, let's add the second indicator, Ultra RSI by Donovan Wall. Set the sampling period to 50 in the Input tab, and in the Style tab, remove the checkmark from bar colors. This indicator will act as our market filter. To place a buy order, ensure the Ultra RSI cloud is above the level of 50 or green, indicating a bullish trend. Wait for the Smooth Heiken Ashi candles to turn green and confirm with a bullish candlestick. Then, place your buy order and set the stop loss at the most recent swing low. For the take profit, use a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. For a sell order, ensure the Ultra RSI cloud is below the level of 50 or red, indicating a bearish trend. Wait for the Smooth Heiken Ashi candles to turn red and confirm with a bearish candlestick. Then, place your sell order and set the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Again, use a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the take profit. It's crucial to cancel the setup if any of the conditions are not met, and with that, we wrap up this video. See you in the next one.